Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can fix the laggy touch screen, unresponsive touch screen, or laggy or buggy iPhone experience. So there is a problem in iOS 18.4. What you need to do is just go to your settings, and under settings you need to go to your general option, accessibility option, this one. Under accessibility option, you need to swipe up and you need to go to the touch option, and under the touch option you need to go to the haptic touch option, and under haptic touch option make sure you have enabled this to the fast. In most cases iPhone make it in a default segment, which actually makes your phone slower or buggier. What you need to do is turn it on to the fast option and go back, and then open the touch accommodation. Make sure you have turned on the touch accommodation, and that's how you can adjust the touch screen. Furthermore, what you need to do if you are having a laggy screen or stuck screen, you just need to hold your volume button up from here, and here's the power button. You just need to hold both of them together until your phones go black, just like this, until your phones go black, and then Apple's logo will come up. You can force restart your phone if you are having unresponsive touch issue. It will automatically resolve the issue or any software related issue if your phone have any of it. I recommend you to use this technique. It will help you a lot in making your phone experience better. Until next video, bye bye.